In this video, you will learn about the kinds of direct and indirect speech. What are the kinds of direct and indirect speech? These are the assertive sentences, imperative sentences, interrogative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. I will discuss with you one by one. So let's start. The first one is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences means the positive sentences. Changes of direct assertive sentences to indirect sentences. Rules are same that I have already told you, the 3 rules of changing. The first one, the second one changes in the tenses of pronouns, and the third one changes in some other words, and the first one changes of pronouns. Changes are same that I've already told you. Changes takes place tenses, pronouns, and in other words as same as the one. For examples, she said to my son, "You are only wasting my time these days." So changes, she said to my son that he was only wasting her time those days. In this example, past tense is used in the reporting speech. So reported speech tense changes means present continuous tense changes to past continuous tense. That's why R changes to was plus first form plus ing. Wasting pronoun you changes according to the subject, that is my son, to he, and my changes according to she to her. For changing, you must remember the rules of changing that I've told you about. After that, changing will be easy for you and nothing will be difficult in direct and indirect speech. So here is another example. She said to him, "Well, sir, my brother has not come to school today because he is suffering from fever." In the indirect speech, we said, she said to him respectfully that her brother had not come to school that day because he was suffering from fever. Did you see? I changed well into respectfully and inverted commas into that. My changes into her brother. My changes according to the object of reporting speech. And has not is the present perfect tense. It will be changes into past perfect tense, that is had, and third form to school. And he is, because he is suffering from fever, he is the present continuous tense. It will be changes into past continuous tense, that is was. He was suffering from fever. So here are the other examples. He said, "I am going to the post office." He said that he was going to the post office. I changed pronoun I into he and am into the past continuous, that is was going to the post office. The second example is, you said, "My brother has given me this pen." You said that your brother had given you that pen. The third example, we said to him, "You have not told us the truth in this case." We said to him that we had not told him the truth in that case. Did you see? I changed this into that, have into had, and inverted commas into that. The last one example is, he said to me, "I slept in this room last night." He said to me that he had slept in that room the previous night. I changed the pronoun I into he and in this room into in that room. Last night, the previous night. In the next video, I will told you the other examples, the other kinds of direct and indirect speech. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.